Next topic is orbital contribution to magnetic moment. The magnetic moment of the 3D metals, not 4D and 5D. The magnetic moment of the 3D metals is determined by the spin-only formula, that is n into n plus 2 whole under root Bohr magneton. This is because there is a quenching of the orbital motion in case of the 3D metal. So the magnetic moment of the 3D metal is only depends upon the spin motion due to the quenching of the orbital motion. So due to only the spin motion is considered, so magnetic moment is determined by the spin formula. Here n is the number of unpaired electron in d orbitals. So let's first electronic configuration d1. In d1 electronic configuration, there is one unpaired electron in d orbital and the magnetic moment value is spin only magnetic moment value is 1.732 Bohr magneton. In case of d2 configuration, the number of unpaired electron in d orbitals are 2. The value of magnetic moment is approximately 2.9 Bohr magneton. In case of d3, the unpaired electron in d orbitals are 3 and the value of magnetic moment is approximately 3.9 Bohr magneton. In case of d4 configuration, the number of unpaired electrons in d orbitals are 4 and the spin on the value is 4.9 Bohr magneton approximately. In case of d5 electronic configuration, there are 5 unpaired electrons. So the value of magnetic moment spin only formula is 5.9 approximately. In case of d6, the number of unpaired electrons are 4. So the magnetic moment value is approximately 4.9 Bohr magneton. In case of d6, the unpaired electrons are, in case of d7, the unpaired electrons are 3. So the magnetic moment value is approximately 3.9 Bohr magneton. In case of d8, the number of unpaired electron remains in the d orbitals are only 2. So the magnetic moment value is approximately 2.9 Bohr magneton. In case of d9 electronic configuration, the number of unpaired electron will be 1 in the d orbital. So the magnetic moment value is equal to 1.732 Bohr magneton. And finally, in case of d10 electronic configuration, the number of unpaired electron is 0. So the value of magnetic moment according to spin formula is 0. When the orbitals of same shape or same size and which are having also same energy transforms or interconvertible to each other, such orbital also show the orbital motion. So in case of these orbital, the orbital motion is also considered. So the value of the spin only formula will exceed as compared to the normal values. This is called as the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. ऐसे ऑर्बिटल जिनकी एनर्जी शेप और साइज सेम होता है और एक ऑर्बिटल दूसरे ऑर्बिटल में किसी पर्टिकुलर एक्सिस पर या किसी पर्टिकुलर एंगल पर रोटेट करने के बाद चेंज हो जाता है, ऐसे ऑर्बिटल ऑर्बिटल कंट्रीब्यूशन या ऑर्बिटल मोशन को भी शो करते हैं. सो ऑर्बिटल मोशन की वजह से भी मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट प्रोड्यूस होता है जो कि स्पिन ओनली मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट में ऐड होके इसकी वैल्यू को एक्सीड कर देता है. इसी को ऑर्बिटल कंट्रीब्यूशन टू मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट कहा जाता है. अगर हम 5D ऑर्बिटल्स को ध्यान से देखें तो dxy, dyz, dxz एंड dx² - y² ऑर्बिटल्स, इन चारों ऑर्बिटल की शेप सेम है और ये ऑर्बिटल एक दूसरे में बड़ी आसानी से इंटरकन्वर्टेबल है. लेकिन dz² ऑर्बिटल जो है इसकी शेप बाकी सारे ऑर्बिटल की शेप से डिफरेंट है. तो किसी भी बाकी चार ऑर्बिटल को dz² ऑर्बिटल में इंटरकन्वर्ट नहीं किया जा सकता. लेकिन अगर हम ऑक्टाहेड्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स की बात करें तो ऑक्टाहेड्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स में नीचे 3 ऑर्बिटल होते हैं और ऊपर हायर एनर्जी ऑर्बिटल में 2 ऑर्बिटल हैं. इन ऑर्बिटल को T2g ऑर्बिटल कहा जाता है और ऊपर वाले 2 ऑर्बिटल्स आर Eg ऑर्बिटल्स. These orbitals are T2g are dxy, dyz and dzx orbital. So these orbitals are of same size as well as same shape and they are also having same energy, which is the condition of the orbital contribution to magnetic moments. The 2 orbital, that is Eg orbital, are dx² - y² and dz² orbital. These two orbitals are not interconvertible to each other, so they do not show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. The dx square minus y square orbital can show orbital contribution to magnetic moment because it can be converted into these three orbital. But due to the difference in energy, the energy should be same to be interconvertible. So dx square minus y square orbital cannot show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment because its energy is different. Similarly, in case of the tetrahedral complex, these T2G orbitals are called as T2 orbitals in case of tetrahedral, and it is T2G in case of octahedral orbitals. So in tetrahedral complex there are two orbitals which are having lower energy and three orbitals which are having higher energy. These are T2 orbitals and these are E orbital in case of the tetrahedral complex. So these two orbitals are called as T2G orbital in case of the octahedral complex, sorry, EG orbital in case of the octahedral complex, and E orbital in case of the tetrahedral complex. नेक्स्ट इज द कंडीशंस ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल कंट्रीब्यूशन टू मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट। वो कौन सी कंडीशन है जिस केस में ऑर्बिटल्स जो हैं मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट को में कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं और उसकी मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट की वैल्यू को नॉर्मल वैल्यू से इंक्रीज करते हैं। द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज दैट द ऑर्बिटल शो द सेम एनर्जी, मीन्स these orbitals should be degenerated orbitals. Second one, the orbital should be same shape and size, and the orbital should be interconvertible to each other by the rotation of any angle. This angle may be any angle, 90, less than 90, greater than 90. And the third one is the interconvertible orbital should be unsymmetrically filled. If the orbitals are symmetrically filled, they do not show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. Let's see in which electronic configuration the orbital contribution to magnetic moment will occur in case of the octahedral complex. Octahedral complex में these lower orbitals are called as T2G orbital and these higher orbitals are called as EG orbitals. So when we know that these T2G orbitals are of same energy, same shape and are interconvertible. So when these T2G orbital are unsymmetrically filled, the orbital contribution to magnetic moment will exist. EG orbitals do not contribute to magnetic moment. So in case of the D1 electronic configuration, the T2G orbital are unsymmetrically filled, so it shows the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. In case of D2 electronic configuration, the T2G orbitals are unsymmetrically filled. It also shows the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. In case of D3 electronic configuration, T2G orbital are symmetrically filled, so it do not show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. In case of D4 high spin complex, 1, 2, 3, and because it is high spin complex, the fourth orbital will occupy the EG orbitals. So in this case, the T2G orbital are symmetrically filled, so D4 also do not show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. In case of the D4 low spin complex, 1, 2, 3, the fourth orbital will occupy the T2G orbital because it is low spin. These are unsymmetrically filled, so it also show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. D5 high spin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, symmetrically filled, do not show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. D5 low spin, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, unsymmetrically filled, so it will show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. In case of D6 high spin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, this will also show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. In case of D6 low spin, the electron will appear in T2G orbital, so do not show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. D7 high spin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, unsymmetrically filled, so it also shows the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. In case of D7 low spin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 electron will occupy the EG orbital. So these orbitals are symmetrically filled, so do not show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. In case of D8, whether it is high spin or low spin complex, the T2G orbitals are symmetrically filled, so it do not show the orbital contribution to magnetic moment. Similarly, in case of the D9 and D10 electronic configuration, do not show the electronic configuration. In D10 electronic configuration, the orbitals are fully filled. So we conclude from here that in case of octahedral complex, the electronic configuration D1, electronic configuration D2, the electronic configuration D4 low spin, the electronic configuration D5